Hi guys, Tug Toler, eSource Miller, Paradigm Company, and here we are at NAFEM 23. I'm in the Garland section of the Welbilt booth, and I have one of my very dear friends.
Hey, Tug.
I call her Boo. That's how tight we are. That's my Boo. This is Marsha.
Hey.
Marsha, say hello and introduce yourself.
Hey, everybody. I'm Marsha Lee with Garland. I'm the regional sales manager for the South. So, bringing to you today, Tug.
Yes.
The Garland Cuisine.
Garland Cuisine.
And what we're showing here is the versatility of being able to interchange different pieces of this line.
Right, so it almost looks like it's a suite.
It almost looks like it's one solid, seamless piece. However, it is 3 individual pieces.
Amazing. Let's see what we got.
Okay. Showing the 6-burner range.
Yep.
35,000 BTU burners each.
But that doesn't seem like it's as much as everybody else, or is it about?
There are a couple of things that set us apart.
Tell me about that, because
Okay.
if I've heard maybe someone say, well, that doesn't have as many BTUs as this one has.
Correct.
And I say, all right, cool. Let me tell you why.
All right.
Can you show them?
I can definitely show them. With Garland, with our burners, we have what we call a Venturi gas release. So what that does is at a vortex, if you will, pushes the gas through our ports. So our ports are located on the outside of our burner and not in this direct center. So instead of heating your pot, you're actually heating your contents.
Right.
So that's another reason why we're a little bit more savvy with our BTUs.
And the actual flame is here
And not
instead of there.
here.
Right.
Correct.
So we're not heating the sides of the pot, we're actually heating the bottom of the pot, right?
Yes. Something else really quick that sets Garland apart is with our grates.
Yeah.
Our grates kind of hug our burners, if you will.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's form-fitting.
It's form-fitting.
Yes.
So you're not losing your BTUs inside your cavity. They're actually coming up to where they need to be used.
Yeah, but you know, the problem with that is then you have a pilot and the stuff boils over and it knocks out the pilot.
Sure, not. That does
What?
not happen
Not
with the
on
Garland.
ours?
No, not on Garland's.
Well,
'Cause
show me.
If you look, you can see here that you cannot see that pilot light.
Do you see the pilot?
Do you see a pilot light anywhere?
I see one right here.
Of course you see that.
Oh, okay.
So on our grates, we have a pit that shields, if you will, the pilot light, keeps that vent air or spillage to put out your pilot light.
So gone are the times where you're like, you guys
What
smelling
is
gas?
Correct,
Yeah.
correct,
Yeah.
correct.
All right, so then we have a nice little belly bar. We have
Sure.
ovens underneath.
With the Garland Cuisine Series, we have a standard belly bar that's provided,
Yep.
or you have the option, so you have your
for an
1/9
ingredient
pans.
one. Okay.
Okay, moving down to the knobs. If you can look back, scan back, we went with a European look, more front of the kitchen,
Yeah.
dinner and a show,
Yeah.
if you will,
As it were.
as it were.
Yes.
One of the features with the new line that we've done is the oven knob is a wearable item. So what we've done is set it to the 350, 250, whatever you need, and you have a knob here that you turn it on and off with. So we're thinking of those wearable items and replacement items and trying to eliminate or avoid having to purchase those in the future.
Sounds great. So with the oven door, that's something
Sure.
that usually is beat to,
Yeah, high heaven.
yes.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure.
So did we do anything different with it? I mean, like, I know when I've been to kitchens, to get to the filters,
Yeah, sure.
the easiest way is to step on this, and then you
It's bad.
start to topple over and
Sure.
have that big heavy machine.
Sure,
But
sure,
on
sure.
this, I couldn't do it this, could I?
No, well, we don't recommend it, Tug, but
Oh my gosh, look at the strength of this thing.
it is actually, we haven't changed our doors in quite some time because if it's not broken, Tug,
Don't fix
don't
it.
fix it. So no, our durable doors, as you just saw, very sturdy.
Yeah, because I'm like a pixie. I'm super light. All right, so
All right, moving on down,
moving on down.
Garland now has a plancha. Okay,
So what's the plancha different than a flat top?
And it's hot plate, and it's not thermostatic. When you're on it, you're on it. When you're not, you're not.
And it gets hotter
It is
than a
very,
griddle.
Very, very hot. Very hot.
Yes.
It's a known fact that 60% of your cooking is done up front. So with a U-shaped burner, you have about 700 to 750 degrees in the center here, and then 500 to 550
It
around.
kind of radiates out.
Yeah, radiates out. So you are cooking and you're pushing back.
Right. So if
very
you're doing
fast.
your scallops, you're doing that there. But
Sure,
if you're
sure.
doing something that you're going to want a little bit longer
Searing,
time,
whatever.
you can move it out to the side.
Of course,
Yep.
of course. Very, very,
Excellent.
very, very well. Yes.
And these are donuts, right?
Yeah, go ahead and eat those, Toad.
Nom, 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 nom.
Yeah. What you have here is the French top. Okay. Again, when I mentioned
French
dinner to
top.
show. Okay.
Yeah.
It comes in with three 18,000 BTU burners, which I'll
Three.
show you. Three,
Wow.
which are individually controlled. So if you don't need three, you use 2 to 1. Okay. If you don't need fire, you can use it as a standard top. Okay. You need a little bit of fire, remove one of the grates. You need a whole lot of fire, you remove both grates. And then you can see the actual burners here that gives you flame.
And they're 18,000 BTUs
18,000
each.
BTUs, so you're looking at high flames. So saute pan.
Yeah.
Again, dinner
thing's-
to show.
It's almost like a walk station
Seriously,
almost.
why
Yeah.
couldn't you? Why
Yeah.
couldn't you walk that way?
Walk that way. I wanted to do it, but I'm not going to sing. I'm not doing it. All right, so
Okay.
this looks amazing.
It's
it looks like
fabulous.
it's one piece,
Yes.
but it's modular in
Yes.
the same sense. This is awesome.